Estimation uncertainty. The susceptibility of an accounting estimate and related disclosure to an inherent lack of precision in its measurement. So you estimate something. When you need to estimate something, there is an accounting policy to estimate something. That is known as accounting estimate. And you need to give a related disclosure related to this estimate. I estimate this investment by this method as per the accounting standard, as per the Ind AS. Yeah? Then you need to give a disclosure. You will give this in disclosure for inherent lack of precision in measurement. Example, they have valued their investment of a non-listed public company. It is not listed, but they have taken a method of benchmarking the same company with a different companies which is in the same generic of companies. So now they are stating that this company is valued as this amount. Consider it's 10 crores. This is the current day valuation of the company of 100 shares. 100 shares, 10 crores they are stating because of their revenue stream. But this is they acquired a 90 percentage of the unlisted public company. They said 10 crores is that valuation, and they had made that a revaluation statement. They have ready the statement. Now you are doing the audit. You found this estimate. You have a question it, but because the benchmark which they took as a listed company, it's not an unlisted company. They are stating so. We have the same debt equity ratio. We have the same turnover, we have the same current asset ratio. These are the criteria. These ratios are similar with the same generic of companies which are doing the same business. So, based upon the valuation, based upon the net profit to earning per share to market price ratio, we find that this is the valuation. That was a conclusion. But there is a question because that company which been listed is too popular, too popular. This company is overvalued in the market right now. But as per the overvalued price, you give us a take as a benchmark and you value the unlisted public company. How can it be similar? This kind of estimate uncertainty. They may invest because they want to bring in some investment. They are stating we had to invest in this company. This is this much investment. You can cash out this. This there is uncertainty in the valuation of estimation, valuation or estimation. So such kind of uncertainty may give an adverse opinion. So something which you give an valuation or estimate should be certain. There can't be any uncertain valuation. It can't be. It's unacceptable in the audit procedure.